Hey guys, today I've got together two lawnmowers. So this is my lawnmower. It has got like all the details of like the pull start, the throttle, and then this one doesn't even have like anything really. So this is LEGOS and this is mine, and that's what we'll be building today. So for the base of the LEGOS lawnmower, you'll need this 2x2 with the clips on the thing. Then you'll need a red one of these are like clips. They will clip there. Then you'll get two of these slopes, and they will go on the front of them. Once you've done that, you'll have this, and you will then be able to make the back wheels. So that uses these parts, and they clip on the underside at the back like that on both sides. Once you've done that, you will then grab some 1x1 plate and that's round, and that will clip on those two parts we just put down. So they're the back wheels. Then you'll grab some of these wheels like that, and they will go on the two like spots where you can clip them. Then for the handle, you'll just grab a arm, and then a quad bike handle that clips on that spot like that, and you have your Lego lawnmower. Okay, now we'll build mine. So for the base, you will need another one of these like wheelbases. So you'll need two of them, and they will go like that. Then you grab a jumper plate. I'm using the color scheme of red, but you could use yellow or whatever color you would like. So that will go like that. Then you grab one of these, whatever they're called, and then I've put a cheese slope on it, and that will then go right on the back end of the like that. Then you'll grab two 1x1 cheese slopes in whatever color scheme you're going with your thing, and they go on the front. You could use all 1x2 of them, but I've just used two 1x1s. To make the handle, what I've done is I have placed a 1x1 clip, like a 1x2 clip like that, on another one of those clips, and that has a hand on it, so a minifigure hand in dark grey. Then that clips onto it like that. Then you'll connect it to your base like that, and you'll have your base. Then you can just chuck on some wheels. Okay, so this next part is a bit fiddly. So if you can see this part, it's a 2x2 with a hole in the middle. That will be the sit on the table like that. Then you will grab this part. It's like a if you can see that, it's like a 1x1 that's modified. That will then go there on top of there. Then you grab a black 1x1, and that will go behind it like that. Then you just grab two 1x1 plates like that, and they will go on those open studs like that. Then you'll grab a this curved piece. It's 2x2, and then that will go on top of those studs. Then you'll grab your lawnmower and put the engine on top of that jumper plate, that 2x2. Depending on which side you put your pull starter, that will also depend on which side the cheese slope has to be. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Comment down below whose you think was better, LEGOS or mine. So see you in the next one.